Guys, it's bad. It's very bad. We were walking for about 1 hour before it started raining so heavily. So this is what happened before that. Happy New Year to everyone, by the way. I am having my external microphone again because I realized that I can't do without my external microphone because the quality is really very bad. It is very bad. Outdoor, the noise is like insane. So I've been double checking, so had to use the external microphone again. The one behind is my sister, by the way. Not my girlfriend, it's my sister. So we are, oh, what the heck, guys? I just saw a chicken just hop out here. The chicken just hop out. There's 2 chicken.
3, 4.
4 rooster. 5. Wow, okay, where are the rooster in this condo? Okay, so either we take the squirrel trail or we take the Venus link. I fancy the squirrel trail.
Same, right? Eh, shorter for 0.05.
I fancy a squirrel trail. Come, let's catch some squirrel.
Hey, the squirrel wear mask.
Yeah.
So cute.
A squirrel wears a mask. Why are you not wearing a mask? Ah, okay. So the squirrel trail goes in deeper, slightly deeper into the woods. Yep. Okay, the squirrel trail is definitely better. So later what we're going to do is, well, now we are at the squirrel trail. Later we will take the Drago trail. I fancy the side route. So let's go through the side. Usually the secondary route, the alternative route, for more people, well, there seems to be more things to see on the alternative, the secondary route. So we are right here at, we're going towards the Treetop Walk, Marichi Treetop Walk, and we are on the Squirrel Trail. Later there is another choice we need to make, either on the main route or something called a Drago Trail. I fancy the Drago Trail. So this and this goes to the same thing. Okay, I fancy the Drago Trail. Let's go. second, guys. I'm thinking. My gear is not waterproof. We have come so far, and I noticed that the rain has started to just getting lighter now, but they have decided to close the entrance to the Treetop Walk. So I guess this is it.